Hello folks, thanks for joining me today. What I'm going to be doing today is another unboxing. I had some money left over from my birthday money and money what I'd saved, and it's been put towards something what I have always wanted. I've wanted one for a long time. Plus I got some money off vouchers for Tool Station. So it's very rare that they have these in stock, as you can go and buy. You normally have to order them and pick them up the next day, but when I checked, they actually had this one in stock. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this. There's plenty of videos online about these things, but this is just my unboxing of it. So I'm going to turn you around and show you what we bought. It's the Triton TSPS 450 oscillating spindle sander. It's 450 watt. You got large cast iron table for stability and enhanced material support, rotating and oscillating action for precise finishing of intricate work. Includes 6 80 grit sanding sleeves from 13 to 76mm diameter with matching drums, and table inserts in matching sizes prevent gaps between table and sanding surface. It's 220 to 240 volt. There's no load speed at 2000 a minute. The oscillations are 58 oscillations per minute. The dimensions 390 by 330 by 450. It says the weight is 12.9 kilos. So you get 6 sanding sleeves, 5 sanding drums, 4 sleeve caps, 6 table inserts, a spindle lock nut, minor assembly parts, spindle nut wrench, and you get the instructions in the box. And there's a 3-year guarantee on it, which you have to register online at Triton website. So, as you can see, it's not been opened. It's still got the band straps on them, and it's all still sealed up on the top. So I'm just going to take the band straps off and we'll get straight in the box. We'll do it together. So as you can see, it's still all sealed up. Like I said, normally you have to order these to get them in next day, or order them online and get them in next day. But I was lucky enough that when I checked the website, they actually said in my local store that they had one in stock, so I grabbed the opportunity and went down and get it. I paid just over £100 for this time I got the vouchers and whatnot. But they retail at £129, I think. That's the normal price for them. So I couldn't really let it go at that. Most important bit, the instruction manual. We'll have a look through that in a minute. Some various bits and pieces of tools and the spanner. All the sanding drums, some caps, very heavyweight rubber. Some of these what you get, they're very lightweight, but these are very heavy rubber. And then you get some sanding sleeves which are all 80 grit. So I'll be looking at getting some more then, probably 120 or 240 grit. I'm just going to stand the box back up now and get the rest of it out. Right, so as you can see, got the machine out the pack, out the box. It's all still in the bag. Got a power cable around the back of the machine. It doesn't specify how long that is, but I would assume it's 2 metre cable. It's fitted with one of the Euro plugs, I think they're called. Yeah, UK to Euro. I'm going to wipe the table down with a bit of mess, just to get rid of any traces of oil what's on it. You've got all your storage things on the back for storing your sanding drums and your sandpapers, slots on the side for storing all your bits and pieces. Yeah, it is actually a 2 metre long cable. I just measured that. Got your dust port on the back, which takes your hoover. Let's just try my hoover fitting. This is my standard Triton hoover vac, and as you can see, it's a little bit too slack. So we're going to have to make something that'll fit into there. I'm just going to have a quick look through the instructions now, and then we'll fire on from there. Right, so you get 5 rubber sanding blocks with corresponding sandpapers and 80 grit. The smallest size, which is 13mm, doesn't actually have a rubber drum. That just fits straight onto the metal shaft of the spindle sander. And then at the bottom of the machine you've got the storage for the insert plates. So that's for the 3-inch. So you put that on there. That's for the 3-inch drum. And then the 13mm is for the smallest, for that size. But they all store away neatly on the machine itself. I'm just going to put the sleeves on the drum. As you can see, they just slide on very easily, and then you just store them on the back of the machine. Like so. And as you can see, there's pegs on the back. As you can see, there's pegs on the back where they all store. See, they'll store in the machine itself. And there's a little notch here for the spanner. But I'm actually going to make a little table for this. And I think I'll put a little drawer underneath it because these extra bits and pieces, nuts and washers what you get in the packet, I'll probably end up losing them, no doubt, so if they're all in the drawer I know where they are then. Right, these are the extra bits what you get in the packet. This is the part what you put over the bobbin sander itself. This is what all the discs sit on when you put the piece on. So for this one I'm going to use the 3" one, I think. So then I get the 3" ring and place that over. Then get the sanding and then for these you use the largest washer and put that on. Right, I've got a little bit of pine here, so I'm just going to try and sand it, see what it comes out like. That's without any dust extraction, so I'm going to try it with the dust extractor in now. So as you can see, the 80 grit takes quite a bit of material away, and the added dust extraction really does suck a lot of that dust down into the hoover. So I'm quite pleased with that. Yeah, that's the Triton TSPS 450 oscillating spindle sander. Quite pleased with it. Looks nice. Nice that it's got all the storage on it, and I'm sure we'll put it to some good use. Like I said, these 80 grit really do take the material off the wood, so you have to be careful with that. And the dust extraction on it is fantastic. You've seen it without dust extraction to with dust extraction, and it really does suck that dust down into there. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Like, subscribe and share to my channel, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching.